Welcome once again to our channel. Today we are going to be looking at how to connect your broker account to MetaTrader 5. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe or follow us for more. As you can see, this is the broker that I use. It is called JustMarket. You can register and set up your account with my code and you'll get $11 bonus. So when you register and set up your account, you go to funding area, you click on demo and you click on open new account. When you click on open new account, you'll be taken to a page where you see different kinds of accounts you can create, but here we are going to click on try demo on the standard account. So you'll be taken to a page where you see US dollar currency, leverage as well as password. So I recommend that you use US dollars and you set up a strong password for your account, either demo or real. So now after creating the account, you click on the three dots beside the account and you see the account details. Make sure to copy the account details, the account number, the saver, and as well as the password. So when we copy it, we head over to the other app, MetaTrader 5. So if you don't have it, you download it. Alright, so you click on plus sign on the app, then you search for your broker. Like here we are going to be searching for JustMarket, and you input your details, your account number, your password, and the saver of the account. Then you click on OK and you check if the account is connected. When it is connected, you see the amount as we can see here. Congratulations, when you reach this place you can start trading with your account. Thank you. As for code to register JustMarket and get more bonus, you will find this code at the description of this video. Please copy this code, use it to open your JustMarket account and get bonus. Thank you for watching.